everyone. My name is Ginny Randall, and I am the manager for SGx2022. We are so thrilled to have you all here. Before we get started, I did want to thank Blue Origin for being our breakfast sponsor this morning. So again, can we get a quick round of applause for Blue Origin? Thank you. So Ariane may be joining us in a few minutes, but just to keep moving along, we're going to go ahead and start with some introductory remarks. As you know, the last 2 years have been incredibly challenging. We've lived through a global pandemic, political strife across our nation and around the world, and things have been incredibly challenging. One of the things that makes me so proud of putting this event together, though, is that we, as the next generation of space leaders, get to continue to innovate and inspire what happens next in the future of space. Although some of the people that you see up here today may be seasoned space professionals, what I am incredibly, incredibly proud of is that 4 of our moderators and a number of our speakers are actually young professionals as well. Any one of you has the opportunity to make an impact and make a difference in what happens in the future of our industry, in our planet, and in our world. And it is honestly such an honor and a privilege to be here and to share these incredible speakers with you all. Before we get too far in, I do have a few housekeeping details. In the back of your program, you actually have the opportunity to take some notes throughout the day. We do also have a number of fun reflection activities and ways to even compete and win prizes that will be handed out at the end of the day. We have a bingo competition. We have a business card competition to see who can collect the most business cards throughout the day. And a third one that I can't remember. Social media. Whoever takes the best social media photos and uses the hashtag SGx2022 can also win a great prize at the end of the day. Finally, we do recommend that you wear masks during the day if possible. You are, of course, welcome to do whatever you'd like, but we do recommend that from a staff perspective. Finally, I will go ahead and turn it over, and we'll do some introductory remarks from our 3 major sponsors and partners of this event this year. We are thrilled and honored to first welcome Yasmine Almond from the Future Space Leaders Foundation to give some opening remarks. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. I'm Yasmine Almond. I'm the Executive Director for the Future Space Leaders Foundation, and I'm thrilled to see you all here today in person, and what an incredible turnout. The program that the organizing team has put together is fantastic, so thank you, Ginny and Cody, for crafting such a special lineup of speakers. It's a joy to work alongside the impactful and trailblazing SGAC organization. Thank you also to Access Intelligence for their support of our 2 organizations. At the Future Space Leaders Foundation, we are a team of 100% volunteers who raise money and organize events to fund competitive grant program to send fellows to present their papers around the world. This year, the IEC is in Paris in September, and we'll be posting our application by the end of this month, so I encourage you to check our website. Over the years, we've provided about $500,000 in grants to 56 deserving applicants since 2011. And our space leaders have gone on to serve leadership roles in cutting-edge industry, to the White House, to all the branches of government, and even started successful companies. In addition to our participation in SGX, we organize a conference every year in July. So please mark your calendar for July 13th this year on Capitol Hill. We are building an amazing program. Its focus will be on the latest technology and space policy to educate, engage, and debate, as well as organize wonderful networking events for young professionals. We hope you can join us, and we thank some of our board members here in the room, and we can't wait to see you in DC in July. Have a great day today with SGAC and Access. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to SGX. My name is Jeffrey Hill. I'm chair of the Satellite Show, and thank you all for joining us, and thank you to our partners SGAC and the Future Space Leaders Foundation for putting together our seventh SGX event. We started this event with SGAC and Future Space Leaders Foundation, and Yasmine Yasmine was there. We were just talking about this back at Satellite 2016 in an effort to bring young professionals, experts, and leaders in the industry together to discuss pressing issues in creative and new ways, primarily through storytelling and real human connection. So since then, this program has hosted more than 100 speakers from a diverse range of cultures, backgrounds, nationalities, and experience to share stories and connect with the nearly 1,000 attendees that have been in this room. This program has made a remarkable impact on our industry and our community here at Satellite. It's consistently one of our most highly rated conference programs, and I personally have spoken to dozens and dozens of people who said that this was a catalyst moment for them in their careers to hear these presentations today, that it inspired them or it made them think differently about what they were doing, or it gave them an idea. So you are in for a real treat today. We hope this experience is worthwhile to you and that you come back to us next year, perhaps even as a speaker yourself. If you have any ideas for SGX or any of the events happening here at Satellite, please do not hesitate to approach me or our conference manager, Lauren Four, or anybody on the Access Intelligence staff and share those ideas. We welcome them on how we can make this experience better for you in 2023. Finally, I'd like to recommend that all of you attend the Inclusive Innovation Sessions being hosted tomorrow and Wednesday by the Space Frontier Foundation. This is a diversity, equity, and inclusion-focused program with 3 group discussions scheduled. If you have a conference-level pass, you can come to those sessions, but I encourage you to do so. Once again, thank you all so much for being here. Thank you to our partners, SGAC, Future Space Leaders Foundation, for putting together this fabulous program. Enjoy the rest of the SGX program today and the rest of your stay here at Satellite. Thank you so much.
Okay, it's my turn. Hello, everyone. So my name is Davide. I'm the SGAC Executive Director. So I'm Italian, as you can hear from my accent. So it's a really big pleasure for me to be here. And before, I know that I have only 3 to 5 minutes, so I will take a minute just to ask to the SGX organizing team to please stand up. So please raise your hands for the SGX organizing team and give them a really big round of applause, because they really did a wonderful job, and they are really part of our wonderful community, our wonderful family. So I just wanted to ask you a question. For how many of you this is your first SGAC event? Wow, that's great. That's really great. So you have to know lots of things about SGAC, and I cannot tell you everything in 3 minutes. So definitely you have to know that we are a wonderful community, and the main objective of SGAC is to connect our students and young professionals aged between 18 and 35 years old to our sponsors and partners, as well as to give them the opportunity to raise the voice of the youth into different topics of the space field. How do we do that? We do that through different activities. We do that through events, but we do that also through scholarships. We organize a scholarship for our members to join our events from all over the world, but also we have project groups. So we provide opportunities to our members to discuss about lots of different topics into the space field. It could be space medicine, space law and policy, space exploration, and so on, and also other type of topics. So we do this, but also we are strongly linked to the United Nations, and that's why SGAC born, because SGAC born in 1999 with the purpose of raising the voice of the youth at the United Nations within our status of the permanent observer. So our office is in Vienna, in Austria, not in Virginia. I realized that there is also Vienna in Virginia. And we are there to provide the voice of the youth again to the United Nations. So if I didn't convince you about SGAC, there are lots of different opportunities to be involved with SGAC. Go to our website, you can see lots of different vacancies. We publish more than 10 to 12 vacancies per month in which you can be involved within our community. But also, you can come and ask as many questions as you want during this event, because there is lots of SGAC members here. And I see already some of them. We have Abram from the recruitment team. We have Christine, that she's organizing the regional event here in the United States. So please come to us, Ask us as many questions as you want, and you will see the real community, the real magic of our community of SGC. So thank you so much, and enjoy your event.
All right, so it is my pleasure to introduce Ariane Cornell to speak on behalf of Blue Origin. Thank you.
All right, good morning, guys. My name is Ariane Cornell. I am Vice President of Commercial and International Sales at Blue. But almost more importantly, I am a former Executive Director of Space Generation. That was 10 plus years ago. But let me tell you that you guys are here, and honestly, I mean, all of satellite is great, but this really is the highlight of it, and it certainly is for me. And I can't even tell you how stoked I am to see how many hands went up when I saw that this was your first SGAC event. Hands down, I say this everywhere I go, that Space Generation is the reason why I am here in my current position. The network I got out of it, the people I met from around the world, the things I learned, the executives that I met, all of that has paid off. You may not recognize it in the moment right here. You're just sitting down, you just had some breakfast, you're drinking your coffee, but these are the moments that really help shape your career. So congrats and kudos to you guys for already being here and making that first important step. I want to encourage all of you to soak in this event today. Enjoy the networking. Also listen to what some of these executives have to say, some of these leaders. Deborah Factor's going to kick you off. What an awesome way of starting the event. People like her are here to help you, are here not only to give you good advice, but also meet you and listen to things that you need to do, you want to do. Reach out. It's really important. But also reach out to each other. That's also what this is about. So congrats on being here again. What a way of kicking off the week. And I can't tell you how happy Blue Origin is to be a sponsor of SpaceGen, of SGX, of the Space Generation Fusion Forum. And I'll just double what Davide said, is go to the website and make sure you guys get more involved, because it really is going to be an important part of your career if you so decide to engage with SpaceGen. So thanks so much. Enjoy the event, and yeah, go SpaceGen. Talk to you later.